Let's review slope. The slope of a line is represented by the variable m. We say that m equals rise over run. Slope is calculated by finding the difference of the y-coordinates of 2 points on the line and dividing the result by the difference of the x-coordinates of the same 2 points. In other words, m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Remember that the slope is a measure of the steepness of the line. Let's review calculating the slope of a line using 2 points on a line. We'll pick a line, any line, by choosing 2 points on this graph. It can go in any direction. It can be steep, it can be flat. The points can be close together or far apart. For our first point, let's select the point -3, -2 in quadrant 3. For our second point, let's use the point 4 and 1 in quadrant 1. Now that we have our points, -3, -2, and 4, 1, let's calculate the slope. Remember, our formula is m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1. It does not matter which point we call x sub 1 and y sub 1, but we must remember to calculate the differences in the same order. It helps to label our points like this. -3, -2 is x sub 1 and y sub 1. The point 4, 1 is x sub 2, y sub 2. Now that we have identified and labeled our 2 points, let's substitute the values into the slope formula. We say m equals 1 minus -2 divided by 4 minus -3. We must remember to carefully watch our signs when substituting the values into the formula. As you can see, careful substitution reveals that we have 2 negative signs that become positive. Let's rewrite the equation. We can now say that m equals 1 plus 2 divided by 4 plus 3. Now we just have to finish calculating. M equals 3 over 7. Since our slope, 3 over 7, cannot be further reduced, we are finished. We can now say that the slope, m, equals 3/7. Remember that the slope is rise over run. Let's verify that 3/7 is correct. From the point -3, -2, let's count the number of units up to the point 4, 1. 1, 2, 3. Now let's count the number of units over to the point 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 over 7 is the slope of this line.